Good morning. Today we are leaving for Queenstown, New Zealand. So we're out of this apartment. We have all of our stuff packed up. We're gonna go to the airport and then we should be there in a couple hours. It's only an hour flight. Are you excited?
Super excited. Hour and a half flight though.
Oh, hour and a half flight, sorry.
So don't be spreading lies.
To take off. We're just wandering around the city right now, trying to figure it out. Found the water. It's very beautiful. Oh my god! Shelly. It's so cute.
Jeez, look at how clear the water is, maybe.
I know, you can see right through it. Neither of us really knew what to expect. Like, we did research, but I mean, this is cool. We're trying to find our Airbnb right now. We're having a bit of trouble. So we finally made it to our Airbnb, but we're gonna go back into town, get some snacks, and then tonight we're gonna watch Lord of the Rings. I'm gonna end this here and then pick it up tomorrow, so I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. We are walking into town because the road that we drove on the bus to come to our Airbnb last night just looked so pretty, so we wanna walk this to breakfast. And it's stunning. We're like kind of up high on a mountain, but you can see the water right here and it's beautiful. It's a really, really crisp day. I think we're gonna go hiking after breakfast. So.
You tell them we're gonna go to Bespoke Kitchen?
Oh yeah, we're gonna go to Bespoke Kitchen, which Google highly recommends.
Yeah.
On multiple websites. So we're gonna try that out and then hike.
Oh yeah.
This is right where we just came from, so you can see how mountainous it is around here. Super pretty.
Yeah.
And then we got the water on the right. We decided to go off the main road because there's like really fast cars driving on there, and we found this trail that's right by the road, but it's really cool down here. It's like closer to the water. Just a cool little trail. Going through the trees. This is a cool little lookout. Look at that.
Nice. Dang.
So pretty. I'm so glad we're walking to breakfast.
Me too.
This is so cool. I wish you guys could all see this landscape right now. You getting hungry, babe?
Yeah.
It's crazy that we're not even on our hike yet. This is just the walk to breakfast. Finally made it to town, almost. Okay, we actually made it this time. Breakfast right at the bottom of the mountain. Beautiful.
These things edible?
Flower petals?
Yeah.
I'm sure it is if it's in your smoothie bowl. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
What is that?
I don't know. So we're gonna do this trail that goes up where this gondola is, and then we might take that down. That's the plan. Let's do it. Does it say how long it is? 1 hour from Skyline Base Terminal to gondola.
Oh, that's not bad.
No.
That's slow people.
Yeah, we're fast. So like 20 minutes? I'm just waiting for Shelly because he takes so long.
Okay, that's it.
He's so slow. About time you made it up here. We aren't even at the top yet, but look at this view. So pretty.
Very pretty.
We're almost at the gondola. I can hear it.
Almost.
Okay, it's really sunny, but I want to show you guys we made it to the top, and it is absolutely gorgeous up here. This is the gondola that we're going to take down. That's a little Queenstown below. And then this is a luge that people are doing. It's kind of scary. How do you think that was?
I think what was?
The hike. The thing we just spent an hour doing.
Pretty good. Yeah, I don't know. Normal hike.
He's still wearing 3 layers. I don't understand.
I'm cold. I get cold easy.
Yeah, I totally stripped down to just my one shirt. We're gonna try to take the gondola down now, and I think there's a restaurant up here, but
I want Fergburger.
yeah, we want Fergburger. There's this like burger restaurant that everyone keeps talking about, so we're gonna take the gondola down and then check that out.
Everywhere I go, pretty much, like on little vacations or trips or anything, I always get me like a little like figurine. This would be a good one for, I mean, you're with me on this one, but this would be a good one for New Zealand.
It's so cute.
Little kiwi bird.
I love it.
There we go.
Oh my goodness. We walked all the way up here. There's just so many activities going on.
There are.
And there's a bungee jump right here. This is crazy.
It's so crazy. I just imagine myself hopping on and then you not making it.
That would definitely happen. Do we close this ourselves? Oh, it closes up here. Oh. Oh my god, there's no seatbelts in here?
Shake the gondola.
Shelly, I swear to no.
Dang.
Oh, this is so cool.
This is pretty cool. Are you scared?
Yes, extremely. Oh my god, we can watch the bungee jumpers.
Yeah, looks like no one's stopped right now.
Oh my god, they're gonna do it. I would never. Nope. You having fun?
No, because you won't let me shake it.
Every time we go on something dangerous, he wants to do that. We were both saying how weird it is being in Queenstown because it's not windy at all.
Yeah.
And like in Wellington, you have this constant like noise in your ear and in your head. And here, like even being in this gondola, it's just silence.
Just calm.
It just feels so
when we first got
unnatural.
here and we're like walking around that pier, it's like, it's so calm. Why is it so calm? And then we realized it's because it's not, wind's not whipping around.
Yeah, it like feels unnatural now.
Yeah.
In the gift shop up there, I also got my dad a little gift. So if you're watching, this is for you. You have no idea what it is.
It's like, you can cut it, right?
Yeah. We did it, we survived.
You come in hot right here.
You do. It scared me.
Whoa.
This place is supposed to have really good coffee. This is supposed to be the best coffee in Queenstown.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's just milk for me.
Dang it!
All the highest rated coffee shops just serve milk.
We're just exploring now before we head over to lunch.
Fergburger.
We're really disappointed about our coffees.
Yeah.
We threw them away.
We're such snobs.
It was all milk.
Ugh.
Yeah.
I don't like it. Ugh.
We're coffee snobs.
We're cops.
You gonna go in?
Jump in? Yeah, I might jump in.
Yeah. Just get in your bathing suit.
My togs.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's what they call them here. Togs.
What are we, number 184?
Waiting for our burgers. Okay, we got the goods. He got a huge deluxe burger, but I got a falafel burger. Just trying it out. We're gonna see how it is. This weighs like 10 pounds. Need somewhere warm to sit though.
It's really good. Really good. Tastes really natural. Like, not super greasy or unhealthy. Give it 9 out of 10. And it's huge.
And they bake their own buns there.
Yeah.
It's so peaceful in there because you're such a long way from anything else.
We are on our way right now to go to Milford Sound to take a boat ride around, but we have to take a bus for about 4 hours and we just pulled over. We're about halfway and it's absolutely just stunning.
Hey, baby.
Mm-hmm.
When you're done, will you take a photo of me with those mountains in the background?
Yes, let's get some photos. All right, back on the bus. Think we're about halfway?
No, we're way closer than halfway.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like an hour or so.
Oh, I'm bummed. I like it. We left at 5 this morning, or 6 this morning. It was pitch dark, super cold. So cool. What's she doing?
No.
Hi.
Hey guys, get on it. Oh look, he's on the car, look.
Shelly, he hitches rides on cars. That's what they said. This bird isn't it the most rare bird in the world?
Is it?
Yeah, that's what he said. And he's a flightless bird, so he gets a ride on all these cars to go where he wants to go.
What a worthless bird.
That's hey, look how cool this is. Oh my god.
So this road wasn't built until quite a few years after the war. The war dragged on for 6 years, and even after that. So this road wasn't officially open completely until the early 50s, 53.
This is like my dream town. Got our tickets. Let's go to the top, obviously.
Top's the...
What?
yeah, go for it. I'll follow you.
We're on the boat. Hour and 45 boat ride.
Yeah.
Yup. It looks really cool.
如有疑问或需要协助，请对我们的员工说明。
Today is the last day of Queenstown, and as you can tell by my voice, this guy got me sick.
Yep, did my job.
Love it. I'm hiking right now and I have like a whole handful of tissues with me. We decided to do the Queenstown Hill walking hike trail.
Exactly, the Queenstown Hill walking time.
And getting here was like already a workout. It was like the most inclined streets I've ever walked up in my entire life.
We also walked for 2 miles from Fern Hill all the way over here to the Queenstown Hill, up the hill.
Yeah, so it was like an entire workout just to get here, but we're about halfway right now. We're almost to the top where the lookout is, but I just wanted to start this. I'm not gonna vlog like fully today just because we're probably gonna do the same things we've done the last few days, but we're just gonna finish this, get a burger again probably, and then
it'll be a chill last day in Queenstown.
It's really nice weather, and right now we're in the middle of like this dark forest, but we're almost to the viewpoint, so I want to show you that when we get up there. He doesn't think this is creepy, but I think this is an extremely creepy forest right now. But the only good thing is that there's no predators in New Zealand, so we don't have to worry about bears.
Is that a guy up there behind the tree?
Shut up! Shut up! Stop! Oh my god! I feel like this place is just getting creepier now. And it's just dark. There's no sun.
Is that what dark means?
We're alone. Yeah. I think we found the top. Finally.
Maybe we can go up there.
Not a bad view.
Thought you'd see the town.
Yeah, we thought we'd be able to see the town, but the town's right over there.
Oh, you can't see the town.
Oh.
we just weren't there yet.
Here, look at the back.
Wow.
There it is. We were just looking at the trees like, wow. So cool. We walked a long way.
Yeah, we did.
Wanna head down?
Yeah.
Kinda looks like we're gonna walk off the mountain.
Yeah. Last hill, and then we're into town.
We can do it. These hills are so steep. All right, it is super early in the morning. I think it's still dark outside, but Shelly and I are headed to the airport. And I sound so sick. This is terrible. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm sorry I didn't vlog very well the last few days, but I just was not really feeling the best. But we're leaving now, and I loved Queenstown. It was unbelievable. I had no idea what to expect, but I would describe it the best as like an Aspen on the water, basically. But yeah, I had a great time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!